Let's now start with our hashtag this week. The question that we are asking is, Team Manna, has it changed the complete game forever? Has Team Manna made corruption a top issue of polls? We'll of course have the BJP spokesperson Nirmala Sitharaman joining us in just a bit about that. But first, Manish Sisodia, did you expect this kind of impact? And you must have noticed how this story is now spiraled out. Kushwaha's entry into the BJP has completely now set off this kind of rift, rebellion within the BJP. We had Maneka Gandhi, everyone speaking out today about it. Did you expect this kind of thing?
You see, this sort of intervention was needed much before. And I wish it could have become 60 years back. But anyway, it's happening and we are happy that it's happening. Any tainted person coming to any party or being getting ready to contest election is being questioned of corruption on corruption parameters. That's a good signal. But my question is, how come these people are free? How come these people are not in jail?
Yes.
For years they have been doing so much of corruption.
Don't you agree that for such a long time this would have never been an issue? Like, don't you think that so much fuss about someone joining? I mean, for instance, Samajwadi Party sacked their spokesperson Mohan Singh because he was recommending DP Yadav's name.
1.5 years back, I was talking to Chief Secretary of Uttar Pradesh and I was just discussing with him on some issues of corruption and I told him to do something aggressively. So he said, Manish, आप क्या बात करते हो? यूपी में कभी corruption issue बनेगा? Today I am happy that corruption has become a political issue in Uttar Pradesh election.
Yes.
We are happy on that. But again, I want to point out, it's not only making an issue. We want solution. We want corrupt people in jail. It's not happening. Why Mr. Kushwaha or people like him, you have some four or five people, why these people are not in jail? How come they can contest election like this?
Yeah, but of course, I mean, you're saying that why should he be in jail? But, it was just initiated. He's not in jail because they've just started the investigation. So it hasn't...
Do you think that it's the start of his corruption?
Well, I'm no one to...
we can't comment on that, but CBI is having so much information.
No,
about them
and they have, but they still say the reason why they haven't...
That's why, what I'm saying is, had the central government passed the Lokayukta Act 1 year back, since the whole country is demanding it, these people must have been sent to jail. Right now, these people are out because we don't have a strong Lokayukta in Uttar Pradesh. Had it been a strong Lokayukta, people of Uttar Pradesh must have lodged FIRs against them and these must have not been free like this, the way they are roaming around.
Okay, what's also interesting is that, one of the things that you all carried out was a referendum.
Right.
Now, a lot of times you think that, this matters, but don't you think issues like Bijli, Sadak and Pani, and we'll have Nirmala Sitharaman speaking in just a bit, but don't you think issues like Bijli, Sadak and Pani matter a lot more to voters than corruption?
Of course, and Bijli, Sadak, Pani ki kami, why there is scarcity of Bijli, Sadak, Pani? Because there is corruption, because the system is not delivering. The system which is supposed to deliver Bijli, Sadak, Pani is not delivering because of corruption. Corruption is major factor in that. Roads are bad because of corruption. Bijli and Pani is not available because of majority of this is because of corruption.
Now, Manish Sisodia, you're here. One of the other things that is trending as well is the kind of verdict that's also come out in the Shanti Bhushan case. Let's just hear that, and we want a quick reaction from you on that as well.
तो नोटिस तो उसी समय दिया गया था जब दिग्विजय सिंह ने उनके ऊपर जोर डाल के तब नोटिस आया था। नोटिस आने से पहले हमारी एप्लीकेशन वहां पड़ी हुई थी कि आप इसमें तय करिए कि कितना है, तो वो तय होता, लेकिन उन्होंने उनका दबाव डाल के, लेकिन कोई बात नहीं, हाई कोर्ट भी तो है। हाई कोर्ट इसी बात के लिए है कि जब कोई सरकारी अफसर दबाव में या किसी और वजह से बेईमानी का ऑर्डर पास करता है तो उसको सही करता है हाई कोर्ट। तो हाई कोर्ट में रिट पिटीशन होगी, सारा कानून साफ है।
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone, fastest scorecard, special analysis and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.